Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm still a bit poorly today, but look what's cheered me up. My Glossybox has arrived. I've also got a tripod for my phone, which I'm just trying out just now. So I'm going to start playing about a bit with my room, trying to find the right position. But this is so much easier for positioning and things, so I can get closely to you and things like that. So yeah, I'm much happier than balancing my iPad off my computer monitor, which is what I used to do. Very professional. Anyway, Glossybox monthly subscription box. It is $13.25 including postage, and yeah, I tend to really love it on the whole. There's been a few issues, but mostly it's fab. You usually get about 5 items, I think. People's boxes can be a bit different, so not everybody gets the same items. It's meant to be based, I think, on your beauty survey that you fill in when you sign up. So let's get in and see. Now I have seen Lightning Lass's box because I'm so nosy, and she got hers yesterday, I think, and I had to have a look. But I might have different products to her. So here we go. So it is the standard pink box. Sometimes they have special designs of boxes, limited edition boxes, but this is what their boxes normally look like. It's sort of a pink one with the black detail, and they're really nice to sort of keep and store all your products in. So yeah, so getting inside here, so inside the box it looks like this. They're really pretty, and then here we go. So it has a black ribbon holding everything all together. We've got a booklet with the information, and then the products themselves. So let's undo this, and here we go. Is it good? We had a sneak peek last month to let us know what was coming this month, and one of the products is worth nearly £100, which is just mad. So let's see what the card says. So it says, Happy New Year, Glossies. Out with the old and in with the new. We know you've heard it all before, but we're here to help you make some serious beauty goals that we can all stick to. We're kicking off the new year with an edit of products that will make keeping our beauty resolutions easy. From a hydrating hair treatment to a luxurious moisturiser and discovering new beauty tools, our January picks will help you to start a fabulous new chapter in your beauty journey. No more broken promises for us. Find out what beauty resolutions we will be sticking to this 2019. So I'll start off with the thing that we knew that we were going to be getting, and honestly this is just a bit of a mind blower because it's not even big. So this is 50 mils, and it is the Avant Skincare Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream, and it says here, I will moisturize my skin every night. So this is obviously beauty resolution number 1. So yes, this is valued at £98. I will do a split screen so you can have a look at the information about this product. I am also going to have a little look to see if this is a true price or if this is one that Glossybox has just sort of guesstimated and said this is what it's worth. So if I can find it for this price elsewhere online, then yes, it really is a £100 product. So it says, all those late December nights call for a skincare saviour, and we've got the perfect solution. This delightful full-size anti-aging moisturiser is formulated with a deeply hydrating wonder ingredient, hyaluronic acid. It will rejuvenate tired eyes, promote an even skin tone, and minimise the appearance of fine lines and pesky pores. It also has a gorgeous fresh scent and instantly smooths your skin without adding shine. So I mean, that sounds like a really nice product. It does have a hygiene seal over it, so let's just get it opened. And so it is quite a thick white cream. I'll just see how easily this rubs in. So we've got it here, and it feels really nice. It's sort of melting in. I have got a bit of a cold, but I think it's just got a very mild fragrance. very mild, and that has actually already absorbed in. It is a non-greasy cream and it feels lovely. I don't even know if it's slightly mattifying, but it looks really, really nice. So it feels really nice. So I'm really excited to try that out. Next thing I've got, oh, why do we get these? So it is a dry shampoo by Batiste. I don't use dry shampoo at all. I really don't. I've tried it and it just makes my hair feel dirty. I just don't, I'm not a fan. So anyway, this is a 50ml size. It is a deluxe mini and it's worth £1.50. The full size would be 200ml and would be worth £4.25. So it just says here that I will try a brand new hair care range. So it's not a new hair care range. We all know about Batiste. So it just says, is your hair feeling weak, damaged, frizzy, dry or flat? Say hello to these new dry shampoos, infused with strengthening keratin, smoothing coconut, moisturising avocado or plumping collagen. They'll refresh, repair, soften, hydrate and revive your tresses, leaving your hair feeling clean and fabulous. What's more, the spray is invisible and feels lightweight on your hair. What more could you want from a dry shampoo? This one is a hydrating one. There we go. So I will give it a try. I'm going to be open to trying it, and it is obviously a different formula and it's a different type of dry shampoo. So it's not fair to say I don't like it when I haven't tried it. So yeah, it's just, I get a bit tired of the dry shampoos, but I think if you love them, you'll be really happy to see it. Next thing I've got, ooh, look at this. Now, I know Lightning Lass didn't get this one. I'm pretty sure she never. So this is what's nice. We get different boxes. So it's worthwhile watching all the different unboxings for this. In fact, I'll pop a link down below for Lightning Lass's. And also for Drop Dead Fred. I'll pop hers down below too. So go and check those out in case they're different. I've not seen Jill's yet. So this is, oh, it's a Maybelline one. That's good. And it is a Dream Blender Foundation Sponge. The RRP for this is £4.99. So it says, I will try a new beauty tool. And I will all try this. I do like a makeup sponge and I haven't seen anything like this before. So it says, this latex-free foundation blending sponge delivers even coverage and a smooth finish. Simply use the side of the sponge to blend your foundation in circular motions across your cheeks and in an outwards direction on your forehead, nose and chin. Use the tip for greater precision around your nose and under your eyes. So yeah, this is totally new on me. I've not seen one like this before. Let's have a little look and see. Oh. So it's got a little handle with a sponge on the end. I don't know if you meant to wet the sponge or not. Just a seamless application and smooth coverage. It doesn't say to wet your sponge. So I might do a little video on that and we can try it and see what we think. But it's by Maybelline, so yeah, interesting little product. It feels a bit odd, but I will try a new beauty tool. So that's good. So far I've got a hair product, a tool and some skincare. So that's a nice selection. Next thing I've got, this feels big. Oh wow. Is the 417 Redefined Facial Micro Loofah Foaming Gel. This is huge. So this is worth, so it's 100 mils, did I say? Yeah. So, yeah, 100 mils. And the value of this is £13.31. Full size would be 200 mils and value at £22.71. Which is a bit of a strange price. But anyway, it just says, I will cleanse my skin morning and night. Add this refreshing foaming gel cleanser into your beauty regimen. Simply work the gel into damp skin in circular motions to gently exfoliate and remove your makeup. Formulated with minerals from the Dead Sea, typical of 417 products. Is it minus 417? It'd be minus 417 products. rare plant extracts and vitamins. Its invigorating formula will leave your skin feeling clean, soft and fresh. This is a deluxe mini. So this is, I think this is a really good size product. I like skincare products. I'm really happy to get this, and I like an exfoliating cleanser. So yeah, let's have a little look and see what it smells like. This is sealed as well. I do like products that come sealed. It just reassures me that nobody else has had a sniff of them. So I'll just take a bit out. So it's a clear gel. The beads feel very, very fine. They don't feel scratchy, but they're definitely there. And it smells nice enough. It's not, again, it's not overly fragranced. So yeah, I think that'll be a nice one to try. So we'll give that a go. And watch out on my Instagram. I'll do a little post on there and let you know what it's like. And if I finish it, it'll be on my empties. And then the final product is by Husk, and it is bamboo oil, and it's a strengthening, deep conditioning hair mask. So I'm really happy to get this because I love hair products. So it says, I will use a hair mask each week. The RRP for this is £2.49, and it says these deeply nourished treatments infused with argan oil, keratin protein, Kalahari melon oil or bamboo extracts. This is the bamboo extracts. Will repair, soften, smooth and straighten your, strengthen your hair. The clever formulas infuse your hair cuticles with hydration for nourished, shiny tresses. Simply massage a generous amount into your hair, focused on the damaged areas. Relax for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse. I really enjoy using hair masks and conditioning treatments, and I tend to normally, when I'm in the shower, I'll shampoo my hair, and then I will sort of pop this on, then sort of exfoliate and get washed and things, and then rinse it off afterwards. Or if I'm in the bath, I'll just bob one on and then let it really sort of soak into my hair. So yeah, I've had a few by this brand already. I don't think I've used them yet. I've got a few sort of film. I've got a few sort of banking up, but I think they're all different as well. So I will definitely give that a go. So I think that is it. Now there is a sneak peek for February, and turn away now, but it is we're getting flirty this February with this fabulous lip contour pencil worth £16 from Huda Beauty. We're bringing you 2 romantic shades, Flirt and Venus. Which will you receive? That's that there. Now, talking about Huda Beauty, I know I said I wasn't going to bring it up anymore, but I just need to say thank you to somebody. As you know, back in the November box, Glossy sent me a February box by mistake, and then I was really upset because there was a Huda lipstick in there and a little palette that I was desperately wanting, and after being promised it, I didn't get it, and blah blah blah, long story. Anyway, so many of you contacted me to say that you would send me it, and honestly I'm so touched. Thank you to everybody so much. Mummy P, a lady called Dawn, sent me a message, or sent me an email, and she also sent me a message on Instagram and just said, like, you know, I've got this, I'm not going to use it, can I just send you it? And I'm so touched. And so look what I finally got. I got the Huda lipstick and the little Style London palette, which I really wanted. I've not used it yet, I've just swatched it. I was waiting to sort of show you on here, so I might do a little video on it, but I just love these warm shimmery shades. The lipstick I have used and I absolutely love it. So thank you so much, Dawn, that is so kind of you. Can I also say thank you to Little She Bear, Ursula. I'll pop links to all to her channel down below, and she sent me 3 face masks. So thank you so much, Ursula. I absolutely love them. I've bobbed them in with my stash of face masks, which I'll give. And I can't remember which one she sent me. I've got absolutely loads and loads of masks. So I'll pop that there. So thank you. I absolutely adore them. And again, you're just really generous. That's so sweet. Thank you, thank you. So just as a recap for the Glossybox, we have, let me bring it up here. So we've got the moisturising cream, we've got the hair mask, we've got the beauty tool from Maybelline, we've got this cleansing gel by -417, and a repeat offender Batiste Dry Shampoo, although it is a different shampoo. Looking very aqua here today, my box. Have you noticed? It's very nice. So yeah, so that's all the products. I'm actually really pleased with this box. I'm not sure if everybody will be, but for me, it's full of things I love. I love skincare, I love hair care. I'm not too fussed about receiving makeup products because I've got so much. So I'm really, really happy. If you would like to get your own Glossybox, I do have a code, which I'll pop down below. And it is, I'll pop it on the screen here as well. It's Marcia-R1. So if you put that in the code, in the voucher box, you should get 20% off your first box, I do believe. And I'll get some glossy points as well to spend on my account. So that's it. If you're interested in seeing the tripod I've got and things, do let me know, because I might just do a little video about it, because this is the first time I've used it and I'm absolutely loving it. It's so brilliant and it wasn't dear at all, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, that's it. I will see you all again soon. I've got a cash or stash video coming up. I've spotted a box that I'm going to be comparing and trying not to buy, so that should be coming up in a few days. Have I got something else? I've got all my other unboxings to come still. I've still got Birchbox, Love Lula, Birchbox, Love Lula. Oh, and there's another one. What have we got? I'm not sure. Something else. Oh, and my latest in beauty. That should be coming in a couple of days. I've selected my products. So if you're interested in any of those, check out the description box down below. I've got links for them all. And I'll see you all again very soon. Bye, guys.